Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna jump right into it. So I had this ball bang wig and I decided to remix it because I realized that when you have a chubby face and you wear a wig like this, you look like Octavia Spencer and Ma, and I'm not having none of that. So what I thought I was doing was finding this like big hack on how to make your hair turn out super bright with box dye. But I'm gonna tell you right now, spoiler alert, it did not work out the way that it was supposed to work out. But all in still, you see me here just trying to protect the lace so that it doesn't get colored while I'm putting on the dye. Alright, so my logic was if I use the same amount of my developer as a developer that comes in the actual box, it would work, like that would make the most sense. That's the most logical, inference that someone can make. But let me tell you, all of this ingenuity, yeah, that's the word. All of the ingenuity and all of this, all of this stuff that I thought I was doing did not turn out the way it was supposed to. I was taking my time too, going piece by piece, doing it really thin, not slices. See, I'm about to say slices. Really thin parts, just being really careful with it. It was at this moment I realized I was working with some watery ass dye. So why would I try to use the brush when I could just pour it on? So that's what I did for the rest of the wig, pretty much, other than the lace. This is what the wig looked like, fully saturated, which clearly didn't mean nothing because the shit did not take at all. If you're styling a wig before you put it on and you have to blow dry it, definitely get the parting out of the way before you blow dry it so it could just mold with the heat in that direction. PSA right quick, for whatever reason on this day, I was ashy as hell. So if you keep seeing my ashy arm in the camera, keep it to yourself. I know I'm ashy. I lotioned up after the video, all right? If you notice, while it's drying, you could see a little bit of red. Like, it's kind of like a reddish brown. It's not even, it don't even look like it would have came out to burgundy. Like, it literally just looks like slightly more red than the rest of the hair. Like, I was duped. At this point, honestly, I was still panicking because the hair color did not turn out the way that I pictured it. So I didn't even have this hairstyle planned, but it was naturally how the ends flipped up after I dried it. So I was like, you know what, let me just style it like this. And yeah, that's how I came up with the style. I mean, obviously the style has been done time and time before, but you could just say that I'm channeling Tamala Jones. If you know, you know. Okay, so there are two keys in making sure that this hairstyle comes out right. Now, first, you have to kind of style it in shells, meaning you part it at the bottom, you do it, and then you part it at the top and you do it. And the second key is to make sure that you flip your wrist at the bottom. Flip your wrist upward, and then you will get that, accentuated curl. Y'all, my son can never be where he's supposed to be. But yeah, here's how it came out before I installed it. I tried to record me spraying the tint on it, but whatever. I sprayed my lace tint in it, and I believe my color is medium dark brown in the even lace tint. Okay, so this is my new favorite way of applying wigs because it's so trouble free. It's just two very thin layers of got to be glue, the yellow one, not the black one, the yellow one. And then I just put my band on top of it, take the band off, spray with the got to be spray, and then that thing is stuck. It's stuck until you want to take it off. This is my favorite part at the end where you smooth everything over. Don't be afraid to comb through the hair because the curl is gonna pop. It's gonna bounce back and it's gonna help define the curl and put it all together rather than them being all over the place and in different directions. And just like that, voila, we're all done. This is the final look of the style. I'm so glad I was able to turn this disaster around because it was a disaster, but it ended up looking so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear this for the holidays. As always, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.